In today's video, I'm going to teach you some productivity hacks to get more done using ClickUp. Welcome to the ClickUp vlog. Today, we'll be sharing some powerful productivity hacks that will help you achieve more, whether you're tackling a big project or simply managing your daily to-do list. So, let's dive in and maximize our productivity together. First up, we have the popular Pomodoro technique. This method is all about working in focused bursts. You'll choose a task to work on and dedicate 25 minutes of uninterrupted effort. Once your time is up, take a 5-minute break to recharge. After completing 4 of these cycles, it's time for a longer break, say 15 to 30 minutes. This method is fantastic for preventing burnout and keeping that laser-sharp focus throughout the day. To bring this technique into your ClickUp routine, make use of ClickUp's built-in time tracker, which allows you to easily monitor your work intervals. Additionally, create a recurring task for your short and long breaks to ensure you're stepping away from work and giving your mind a moment to rest. Next, let's talk about time blocking. Instead of relying solely on a long to-do list, this hack involves scheduling specific tasks directly onto your calendar. By turning your tasks into a concrete schedule, you can significantly reduce procrastination and dive deeper into focused work. In ClickUp, this is made simple using the calendar view. Here, you can visually block out sections of your day and even drag and drop tasks directly onto your calendar. This visual representation of your time encourages accountability and helps in managing your workload more efficiently. Now, let's dive into the 80-20 rule, also known as the Pareto principle. The idea here is that 80% of your results often come from 20% of your efforts. Identify those key tasks that will have the greatest impact and make them your priority. Within ClickUp, utilize custom fields and priorities to flag these high-impact tasks. You can also create filtered views to quickly access and focus on your most important tasks first. This structured approach ensures that your energy is spent on tasks that truly matter. Our final hack is the 2-minute rule. If a task takes less than 2 minutes to complete, do it immediately. This prevents small, easy tasks from piling up and cluttering your to-do list. In ClickUp, quick actions are your best friend for creating and completing these tasks on the fly. Plus, take advantage of automations to automatically move these small tasks to a done status once completed, keeping your workflow streamlined and efficient. Incorporating these productivity hacks with ClickUp's features can truly transform the way you work. Give these strategies a try and let us know which one resonates most with you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more productivity tips and tricks. Happy working, and here's to a more productive you.